What is up guys, I'm Praksar and welcome back to my channel. So after 1.5 years here in US, I'm finally going to India to meet my family and friends. So I'm excited as hell. So yeah, let's go. So right now it's around 10 p.m. at Chicago. We are holed up in this hotel. So tomorrow we have a flight at 12:30 p.m. from O'Hare International, Chicago. Our first flight is from Chicago to New York. There at New York we have an airport change. Then from New York we fly to Tokyo. From Tokyo to Delhi, and then from Delhi we go to Kolkata. So yeah, it's a very long flight, but let's go. Chicago. So we took a shuttle from our hotel till the airport, and we are currently done with all the security checks and all of that stuff, and right now we are just waiting for our flight. And it's a beautiful day out there. Just ta-da. The first flight to LaGuardia. Let's go. So we just touched down on LaGuardia, just collected our packages, and now we are going to JFK. Alright, so we finally reached JFK. It's around 6 p.m. right now, and our flight is at 12 a.m., 12:30 a.m. So yeah. Finally got our boarding passes. So we finally checked in our luggages, and it's time to rest and wait for the flight. The flight is at 12:30. So we finally reached Haneda International Airport, and it was a long flight of 14 hours. So yeah, we are very tired. So we are like freshening up right now, and still we have to wait for like 6 more hours for our next flight to Delhi. So yeah, and we'll just explore Tokyo International, Haneda International till